Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot as a CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, the CRM functionalities are pretty much the main point of HubSpot, and you can very easily use them to organize your work better or your customer relations. Now, what you need to do is, once you're on HubSpot, I'm in my marketing tab, so that doesn't matter, but what you need to do is go into your CRM. It looks like this sort of booklet icon, so just hover over that, and here you have your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Contacts and companies are very similar. These are just lists of contacts and companies you have, contacts which you're in contact with, or companies where those contacts are from. And you just need to click create contact and enter all the relevant information to set a contact into your table, and then you can use their contact for other things in the future. Now, other than that, you can import them from several lists if you want to, and once you import them, if you've used a CRM before, you have your work, well, done for you pretty much. You can import it via a CSV file, so just download the CSV file and upload it here. Once you're done with that, you can also set up deals. Deals are basically, well, exactly what they say, deals, which you can set up their name, their stage, the close date, and the owner, which is most of the time going to be you, as well as the amount that deal is going to net you. Once that deal is closed, you can remove it, and once it passes the close date, it'll be pretty much gone. And once that's done, you should have your money by then. Now, additionally, you can also use tickets, and these are your main sort of pipeline tool, which you can use. And to use them, just create a ticket. Just click here and enter all the needed information. The needed information is the name, the pipeline where it's going to go, in the status, but you have all this different information you can add to better specify what that ticket is about. Once you add it, it's more than likely going to be in the new section, and you can drag it along the pipeline depending on the status it is currently at. Waiting on contact means you're waiting for them to contact you. Waiting on us is you're waiting for yourself to respond, and closed is when the deal is done and dusted, and that is basically done once you do that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.